Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. If you're new to my channel, please remember to click the subscribe button below and the bell for all notifications. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share and leave me a comment below. Doing all this will help my channel to grow, and I thank you so much for all your support. And there will be a link to the Grove, so that if you have never gone to Grove and ordered anything, you can go through me, which will help me excuse me, very much. And check out their website and sign up to get a free starter set through them. And so now let's get on with this video and I'll show you what I've got. So this time I ordered always love how they put thank you and my name on the front of the box. They make everything very nice and tight. It's all recyclable paper. I like to keep it for my art. I ordered this the last time. This liquid coconut oil. I use this in my bath and use it on my skin. This is really good stuff. And I actually got this on sale this time, so I was glad about that. And I think let's see, I didn't order anything last month, so I think I held out for about 2 months, either 2 or 3 months. So I don't order every month, but I love that stuff. Let's see, trash bags. I love their trash bags. They're drawstring trash bags. These are through Grove. Made from 100% recycled plastic. You get 20. And these are the 13-gallon ones for the tall kitchen trash bags. I've got some more of the Grove coconut scrub sponges. And you get 2 in the pack. And I like to cut them in half. And that way they last me a little longer. I use one about a month. And then the other thing I've got here, this was on sale. So I wanted to go ahead and get this and try it out because I've been eyeing this. Their little oil warmer. This is Grove. It's very nice. Get a free oil with it. I had to get some candles, and that's what's in here. Is they're 100% soy tea light candles are in the box. You put your candle there and your oil here. This is very nice, very sleek looking. And I got the Awake blend. So you put that up here and your tea light down there. And I will take some pictures and put it up on my Instagram so you can see all this. But that is it. That's all I got. So I thank y'all for watching. Please remember to share this video, and keep watching for more. And if you'd like to see other unboxings, watch it. If you'd like to see more, there'll be some other videos up in the cards and some more links down below in this. If you just look down below in the description box, you'll see some other links, and you can check those videos out as well. So thanks again, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a blessed day.